We have another question here, and this obviously could get a bit complicated, but the question from Fred in Mobile is, why can't the legislature get the hands-free driving law passed in Alabama?
Trooper Cole, I'll let you answer that.
Well, that's that particular question there is, the legislation has been introduced and they haven't passed nor denied it yet. This is going to be the really the first time that it's been introduced and taken a look at to the degree that they've looked at it. We haven't been provided with any update as of yet on where it is, but we do know that legislation is being looked at, and once they determine what they're going to do, I'm sure they'll provide us
right.
With an update. With this,
Right.
only thing we can use is what we already have on the books, so to speak, and that would be the texting while driving. Although we would love to see any program that could assist us in making our roadways safer.
Right.
Trooper Cole, I actually have a question. Would you mind talking about the danger to law enforcement who are on the side of the highway with, stopping motorists? Obviously we know about the danger distracted driving has to those behind the wheel and those they could impact other motorists, but what about for law enforcement?
As law enforcement are out, conducting enforcement and routine operations, when people are generally distracted, they don't see the law enforcement vehicle or the officer outside of the vehicle conducting that operation. And that does not only affect law enforcement. There are many opportunities where we roll or pull up on the motorists who have a flat tire on the interstate or on a 2-lane roadway, and we pull up to assist them, and many of the drivers
Right.
that are not moving over and are nearly striking
Right.
the person just merely trying to change their tire
Yeah.
are people that are on their cell phone device or distracted or looking at something else when they're passing by. I've noticed that most of the motorists that have moved over have recognized the hazard ahead, and this applies to tow truck drivers, ambulance personnel, law enforcement,
Right.
or any other emergency service that may be
True.
occurring on the side of the roadway.
Yeah.